Hello and welcome to another video of Sun and Simplicity. When we arrived at the island Langkawi, we had a chilled breakfast with our friends Julia and Taufik. After waiting for 2 years, we finally got to visit their cafe called Kolma on the island Langkawi.
Opposite the Kolma cafe was a laundry, so while we enjoyed coffee and homemade treats at the Kolma, we got a laundry done. In the evening, we had a chilled dinner at the beach and already got excited for the next day because we went jet ski driving. After visiting the Lake of the Pregnant Maiden, we explored another island from which Langkawi got its name. The words Lang and Kawi actually mean Eagle Island.
The next day, a dream of mine came true. I found a BMW dealer and rented a brand new BMW R9T to ride around the island. After picking up Nadia at the Kolma cafe, we started an adventurous day of driving around the island of Langkawi. During driving along the island roads, we saw monkeys on the side of the road every now and then. Our first stop was at Seven Wells, a place where a waterfall and pools were up on the mountain. We hiked up and saw more monkeys in the forest and along the walkway.
got ourselves authentic food from the local street food market.
The next day we were off to another day of adventuring with the motorbike. We just drove up here in the craziest rain, soaked with the motorcycle, and it was so much fun. We arrived at the top, we got a beautiful view. It's still raining. Yeah.
We thought we could, like there's a house or something, we could wait to stop for the rain. Or, yeah, obviously there is none.
Yeah. In the evening, which was our last one here, we were off to the beach to enjoy the sunset with friends.
The next day we said goodbye to Julia and Taufik and were off to our next destination. Thanks for watching this episode. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more from us in the future, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. If you want to support what we're doing, feel free to join our community on Patreon for more exclusive content, early videos, behind the scenes and much more. Thank you and see you next time. And don't forget, life is easier when you keep it simple.